The Menzerna polish range offers finishes with different levels of abrasiveness and shine. Our aim is to deliver maximum hologram-free shine on all clear coats, from standard to show car finishes. All products build on the corresponding medium cut polish in optimum fashion, or refine the high gloss of HCC 400. Minor defects in clear coat surfaces, such as micro scratches, swirls or holograms, are removed using finished products. All you need for a perfect result is a small amount of polish and the Menzerna soft cut foam pad. Whether using a rotary or orbital machine, cross-coating is the way to go. Menzerna premium finishes are free from silicones and fillers. Surface defects are polished out mechanically for deep shine that lasts longer than with rival products. Here's how pro polishers get even more shine. Keep the speed low and the pressure light at the start of the polishing process. When the finish starts becoming translucent, increase the speed but reduce the pressure even further. Wipe with a soft microfiber cloth. Done. The surface has been mechanically smoothed. Light is reflected clearly and evenly. A perfect mirror finish. Professional vehicle detailers and painters will be impressed with Final Finish 3000, the classic swirl remover for a gleaming mirror finish. Not to mention Menzerna Super Finish 3500 for brilliant shine and the most exacting requirements, as well as Super Finish Plus 3800 for maximum deep shine. The Menzerna Finish range boasts the finest premium abrasives, is free from fillers and offers outstanding cost effectiveness. Menzerna polishing compounds. Perfection in polishing.